In the heart of Igboland, where the ancient roots of culture and tradition run deep, lies the enchanting village of Arochukwu. Here, amidst the lush greenery and vibrant community life, unfolds a tale of love, honor, and the sacred bond between the living and the ancestors. Nneka, a young woman of striking beauty and grace, is the pride of Arochukwu. Raised by her wise grandmother Chinwe, she embodies the spirit and strength of her people. Obinna, her childhood friend and a brave warrior, harbors a love for Nneka that runs as deep as the ancient roots of their village. Yet his heart remains unspoken, as tradition and duty guide his every move. Under the guidance of her grandmother, Nneka learns the old stories, the dances, and the rituals that connect them to their ancestors. Chinwe's tales of the past inspire a sense of purpose and pride in the young woman. During the grand festival of the masquerades, add masquerades dancing, where spirits of the ancestors walk among the living. Nneka and Obinna's paths intertwine in a dance of destiny. The air is thick with mystery as the masquerades, draped in vibrant colors and intricate masks, move to the rhythm of the ancestral drums. Overseeing this sacred event is Eze Agwu, the village chief, whose wisdom and leadership ensure that the traditions of Arochukwu remain unbroken. Through rituals and ceremonies, he bridges the gap between the seen and the unseen, the past and the present. In the glow of the Igbo moon, amidst the echoes of their ancestors' songs, Nneka and Obinna find their love blessed by the spirits, a union as timeless as the traditions they uphold. This is the tale of Arochukwu, where love and tradition are forever intertwined. Join us on this journey through Arochukwu, where every story is a celebration of love and heritage. Subscribe to our channel for more enchanting tales from the heart of Africa.